Okay friends, let's get started on replacing our reverse lamp bulb socket. On this 2009 Dodge Dakota, this will be located right inside of the tail lamp assembly. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is lower the tailgate. Once you've done that, you're going to be looking for two T25 Torx screws. Let's remove the pair. Now we can grab onto that tail lamp assembly and we're going to pull it straight back. It has two locking tabs along the outer portion, holding it to the bed of the vehicle. Let's make our way down here to the reverse lamp bulb socket. We'll give that a little twist counterclockwise to remove it from the assembly. Let's continue on to removing the bulb from this. You want to make sure you give it a quick inspection to make sure it is still reusable, and we'll set this aside. Continue on to removing the bulb socket from the wiring harness. For this, you'll find that you have a locking tab on each side of this. Use a small pocket screwdriver, gently get in between this area and separate it just enough that you can pop it free. Once one side starts to separate, we'll do the same on the other. There it is, friends. Okay, let's get ready to install our brand new bulb socket. You'll find, looking at the wiring harness, it has this notched out area. And if you were to look inside of the bulb socket, you're going to find a tab that needs to line up perfectly with it. Let's slide this into position. Press it in as hard as you can. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's completely secure. Now we can take that 3157 bulb and install it into the reverse lamp socket. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure that's secured in place. Now we can take this, align our two tabs on the socket itself with the two holes on the back side of the assembly. Turn that clockwise to lock it into position. Now we can install the tail lamp assembly. You'll find for this you have two tabs that protrude out that need to fit into the body of the vehicle. We'll take this and press it into place. With that in place, continue on to your two mounting screws. We'll start each of these in before we snug either of them. Make sure it's nice and secure. All right, now that it's assembled, let's test its functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.